So you're a beginner, you just learned copywriting, you're just starting out. Where do you begin? How do you land your first client? Because nobody is going to hire you when you do not have a portfolio, you do not have the experience to show that you can do this. So how exactly do you get started? Now, this is one of the most frequent questions I get on this channel. People are always asking, oh, I don't have a portfolio, I'm just starting out. How do I get people to hire me? So if you've learned how to write, okay, and you're looking for the next step to take, okay, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you my one trusted method, okay, it's a very valuable advice I have for beginning copywriters or content writers. How can you start landing paying clients from nothing? If this is the situation that you're currently in and you're looking for answers, I'm sure you'll find them in this video, so you want to stay till the end. Ready? Let's get into the video. So you guys, we're getting started in a moment. All right, now, however, in case you are just seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about content writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if this is the kind of content you're interested in, then you certainly want to click the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on my future videos. Right, so guys, as a beginner, all right, you're just studying and you don't really have enough experience to back up your brags. Okay, you've told people that you can write, but they haven't seen anything that you've done. So what do? I have just one advice for you, and that is for you to do free projects. Okay, now, are you aware that there are certain sites that are actually looking for copywriters and content writers to write some work for them? So they have a lot of projects, mostly like non-profit organizations, charity organizations, and sites like that. They have a lot of projects available, okay, but then they need people to do them for free, so like volunteer work, okay. And this is the fastest way to build your portfolio, okay, because you're not going to get paid, but you're going to build your experience, build your portfolio, and at the end of the day, these are things that you really need to fast track your career. Okay, so imagine that you are writing a copy for UN organization, okay. It's a big deal. Even if you don't get paid, the experience, the attachment, what it's going to do to your profile as a copywriter is huge, and that can lead to your next big paid job. Okay, so basically what clients want to see before they hire you is your experience. They want to see that you've done something like this before. So if you can show them proof, and if it's good proof, then they are going to hire you immediately. So my advice to you is very simple. Okay, look for volunteer opportunities and participate in them for the experience sake. So by the time you've piled up about 5 to 6 copy projects or content writing projects, okay, on your portfolio, all right, now you can present this portfolio proudly to a potential client, and they can look at it and actually see your experience and hire you to work with them. That's simple, right? So yes, in this video I'm going to be giving you 5 sites where you can find free copy and content writing jobs to do. Okay, so when you go to these sites, they have a lot of organizations there that are just looking for people to write their copy and so many things basically, but you want to focus on copywriting because that's what you want. But they are basically looking for skilled talents in web design, graphics design, marketing, social media management, a lot of tasks that they are looking to complete. Okay, but as a content writer, you can also find some gigs there. Okay, do it for free, get the experience, do a good job, and then build your portfolio and show it to your next client. All right, so let's get into the sites. I have my computer right in front of me, so we are going to be exploring the sites together. I'll just look into my computer, pick the sites, we'll discuss about them, and then we move to the next site. Fine. So the first site on my list is called Skilled Up, and it's a platform that connects skilled talents with volunteer opportunities. So you can see here there's opportunities, volunteers, companies, so when you scroll down, let's see what we'll have here. So you can just go here and insert the keyword, example web design. So copywriting, see what happens. And yes, you can see that there's one available here, content creator, volunteer at Coach Tribe. All right, you can see that there's one available here, so you can actually reach out and apply
using this. You can try as many keywords as possible to bring up more opportunities. Now I use content writing here. Look at all of these opportunities. Alright, so these people are looking for you. Alright, so you can simply just go there. Okay, so up next we have volunteer match. That's the second one. So scrolling down, you can see here there's a place for you to find opportunities. So when you click on find opportunities, okay, it will open up a number of available opportunities for you. You can choose in-person, virtual. Of course, you're looking for virtual opportunities, right? Then you can search for keywords, maybe content writer, copywriter, whatever it is you want to really do. And then when you scroll down, you'd see as many jobs as you want to, and then you can just choose the one that applies to you. Here, look at all of these available projects. So scroll down, choose the one that you want to work with, and then you can apply for it, and they're going to get back to you if they like you. Number 3, here we have idea list. Alright, and it's basically the same thing. So you can pick your filters, put your keywords, check whether you want a remote, on-site, whatever it is you want, job type, and then they will give you. Here you go. Here are some opportunities already available. Okay, so you can just check the one that you think you can handle and apply accordingly. You can see for remote jobs alone we have 640. So play around with the filters and they would give you what you want. Another one we have is catchafire.org. Alright, for volunteers, for organizations. So here you can see volunteering opportunities as well. Alright, yes, for this one I've just typed in copywriting here in the filter, and look at these options: copywriting for special needs kids, email marketing copywriting, flexible copywriting support. These are all opportunities. Website copywriting. I think I'm even going to check out this project after now. Yeah, so you can just scroll through, see what they need, and if it's something you think you can do, then apply. And I mean, add it to your portfolio after doing a good job. Alright, and then the other one I have here is volunteer forever. That's the final one on this list for this volunteer. And you can see that there are even some available positions right now. This one says marketing coordinator, this one is travel writer, and they've even told you what to do. Email Sarah. You see, so I've basically given you, if you're watching this right now, I believe I've given you a job opportunity you can quickly go and apply for. So yeah, this is something you can do, right?
So by the time you have compiled all of these skills together, you've done a few of these jobs, maybe 2 or 3 of them, you have something to add to your portfolio. Okay, now about building a portfolio, that's something I intend to do a different video about, how to build a portfolio. Okay, because there are several sites. You can literally take 30 minutes in a day to build a portfolio, and I want to show you how to do that. So I'm going to do that in my next video. Okay, there is this site called Squarespace. Is very nice. Then there's another one called Wix, and there's another one called Copyfolio. These ones are for copywriters and content writers. They are more suitable for our kind of jobs. Okay, so but that will be my next video. Okay, I'm going to explain how we'll go step by step, and then together we are going to build a portfolio for you. But first, before you build a portfolio, you need to have something to put inside the portfolio, which is why I am challenging you to take the next 2 weeks to go through these sites that I've listed. These 5 sites, there are more, but I just listed out these ones, but you can find more. Go through these sites, find opportunities and apply. They are free gigs. Apply to write their copy or their content or whatever works for you. Apply, start writing, and let's see what will happen between the next week. Okay, who knows, you might get your first gig next week. Work on it. You've got something to add to your name. Continue like that, and before you know it, you're not exactly a beginner anymore. You must have had a lot of experiences to your name. Yeah, so that's my challenge to you, and I hope you pick it up. Just probably let me know, email me, send me an email, or you can leave a comment here on this video. if you actually try it out. Okay, I would like to follow up with your progress. Okay, so let me know. I mean, I'm very much active on my Instagram. It is at Script. I'll put out the name on the screen. So yeah, if you follow me there, you can also send me a DM and say, oh, I've tried this out, or give me your progress level. I'd really love to follow up with you on that. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I do hope that you've learned something new. I hope you now know how to get started as a beginner. Instead of waiting for someone to hire you, start working on free projects, and then from there you never can tell where your next big deal is going to come from. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. If you've got to this point, then I'm sure you have already subscribed, but if you haven't, then please click the subscribe button so that we can stay connected. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.